Bam! All right, guys, let's talk about the macros when it comes to standard, keto, omnivore, and carnivore. These are just quickies because I need to go to the branch right now. Okay, so when it comes to keto, omnivore, you don't have to eat 9 cups of veggies. That would be probably a big, huge thyroid and let's say leaky gut problem and histamine. So your low histamine foods would be, and I'll do another video on this, it would be of the cauliflower type and the cabbage, but I think I'm going to do a separate video on this. You want to be able to actually consider rotational foods, but that's the next video. Let's go on to the macros. The macros between doing a keto carnivore, keto omnivore, keto carnivore are the same. So when you're doing keto carnivore, it doesn't mean like I'm eating like coconut keto pancakes and meat. It's literally eating high fat on a carnivore diet to get you into ketosis so you don't damage your thyroid, damage your reproductive hormones through pregnenolone steal, and also put your adrenal function in a compromised situation or create things like hypoglycemia or physiological insulin resistance rebound. So the macros are the same. You're still going to have moderate to low protein. When people are eating high protein, they're starting to have kidney distress. It's not the protein itself, it's the underlying issues with your kidneys and being dehydrated because your electrolytes are off that create the kidney problem, right? You're having adrenal dysfunction, you're not in ketosis, you're eating too much meat, not enough fat, you become constipated, you have low energy, and other systems like your adrenal function, thyroid function become compromised, and you just start converting that excess protein into glucose. We need to get that protein moderate to low, the fat up high to drive ketogenesis so you can spare those endocrine systems of your body and you don't get sick because your body needs gasoline from somewhere. And it's not going to get it from 2 pounds of beef. Like in the video I expressed, I cannot talk because I'm in a hurry, expressed before. And I'm not starting over, which a lot of you guys do. So these are one take, no edits. Now on a keto with plants, it's the same. Protein's going to be the same as keto carnivore. But with keto with plants, you can have broccoli and cauliflower and all the cruciferous vegetables and cabbage and asparagus and Brussels sprouts and maybe a little bit of green bean. You would have to be very low on things like zucchini because a lot of it could bring up the carb count. With that said, you would probably just do about 2 cups a day if you're doing omnivore. If you can tolerate avocado, stick it in because you need that potassium. If you want to avoid supplementation or potassium citrate, a lot of you guys have a histamine to potassium citrate. With that said, it's about 2 cups a day. That's it. Split it up. Eat 1 avocado a day and add 200 grams of fat, at least 12 tablespoons, making that only about 167 grams of fat, and the rest coming from things like avocado and your meat fats to push you over 200. Pretty simple, guys. Let's not overcomplicate it. And fat's mainly coming from animal fat, right? Either butter, if you can tolerate it, because people are sensitive. There's no lactose in butter, people. It is the protein still left in the butter called whey and casein, or you could do ghee, which has less, or which is clarified, or you could do lard, or you could do tallow, which most people can tolerate tallow. I hope this helps. The numbers of how much protein, well, those are negligible, between 60 and 95 for male tops. But you guys gotta understand, you're lowering the protein that you were used to eating before with those 2 pounds and going up in fat up here, okay? That's how you spare your endocrine system and get on your electrolytes and seal up that gut wall on carnivore. And on omnivore, if you don't have noticeable histamine responses, then you get to go. Just keep those vegetables moderate just in case you have a thyroid problem, which can block iodine. That's a whole nother video. Now I gotta go. These are quick tips on how to do keto omnivore, carnivore, and I even have tips for low carb, high fat, where people are still eating white rice and a little bit of sweet potato. But not in this video, no. You can go to my Instagram, which is Stephanie Ketogenic, for free content. Go check out my stories. Also, because I'm going to do this whole thing on electrolytes. Also, go to Stephanie the Business Person on my Facebook. Free content right here on YouTube. Or you can go sign up for a consultation at stephanieperson.com. Or you can also sign up for a consultation, not a consultation, well, mini consultations and course lessons on my keto course page, which covers low carb, high fat, keto omnivore, and carnivore at stephanieperson.com. Stay safe through the Ketona virus. Yes, I'm calling it Ketona. We got to mix it up. Just keep that immune system strong. Get in some liver. I'm just saying, 1 or 2 ounces a day. You got your vitamin C, you got your zinc, all right there, and it's natural. And I'm out. Deuces.